back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is going to be the results show of my dyeing with bleach last week. So if you want to see how everything turned out, then please do keep on watching. So let's have a look. Now then, I'm going to say I'm very pleased with the results. Very pleased. The only thing is, I think my t-shirts might be going up on my Etsy shop, only because I seem to have cropped them too small, too short for my ample bustle area. So I'm going to show you the very first t-shirt. Here we've got the Bass Pro Shop 1972 outdoor gear top, and I am so pleased with this, how it all turned out. I just love the colour that it dyed. It went superb. I just literally splashed it all over. Well, you saw that I sort of put it into a little ball and then splashed it all over. I might not be getting rid of this one because this one's actually quite long, so I can wear this one with my high-waisted jeans, but the other one's just slightly too short, so I might be putting that one in my Etsy shop. But that is the very first t-shirt. The second t-shirt, this is the one that's slightly too cropped for me, is this one, and I loved it. It's this Wall of Death World Tour t-shirt. Now, I don't know, I might put it on my Etsy shop. I might see if I can upcycle it a bit more and perhaps put something underneath. Maybe dress it up a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm so pleased again with how this turned out. The colour, and I'm really hoping it's picking up on camera. The colour is amazing. And I just want to say thank you to, I'll put the name just here, for your message, and I agree, yes. She said that, or they said that, obviously if your bleach is older than 6 months old, it's not going to work, which is why the Domestos worked so much better. So I'm really, really pleased with how that turned out. And there's the back. So that is my t-shirt. Now this item of clothing, it just does not want to die. And I don't mean like that, but I mean to change colour. It's one of my hoodies, and I love this hoodie. And it has picked up some, but it just does not, I don't know what is in it, but it really doesn't want to bleach. It's bleached a little bit. I'm going to try it again and then pop it out in the sun maybe, but it's only done it a little bit, so I'm a bit disappointed with that one, but never mind, you can't have always, can you? So that one's okay, but it's not the best. It hasn't turned out like this one, like I thought it would. I thought it'd go like that, so we'll have to see. I don't know what this t-shirt's made of, but it's like a cockroach, it just won't take. And last, but certainly by no means least, we've got the jeans. Now, beforehand, they just didn't, there was nothing. I mean, when I showed them, I think you could see, if I just pop a little thing here, I think you can see that they just didn't kind of take again. And I think that was down to the bleach. But I love these. These are probably my favourite pair of jeans at the moment. So look at how cool these jeans have turned out. They look so cool. Isn't that amazing? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I've actually distressed these as well, which you will see on the try on portion. Obviously I won't be putting the tops on, but these, I'm going to style these up in several ways so you can see how to wear your bleached jeans, so stay tuned to the end. But that's it, that was my tie-dyeing with bleach. I loved it. I'm going to see if I can have a go with some other bits and pieces, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. So if you want to see how I style up these bleached jeans, please, let's see and roll clip.